that you should ask yourself kung dapat ba talaga akong mag-abroad or ready na ba akong mag-abroad. And para din ma-set yung direction mo kung ano bang purpose, ano yung goal mo. I want you to have direction kung para saan, ganun. So here are the question. Bago ka mag-abroad, itanong mo sa sarili mo, what is my goal? What are my goals? Ano yung rason kung bakit ako mag-abroad? You can list down at least 5, okay? It might be personal or it might be you want to get your dreams, gusto mong makapag-travel kasi if you have the goal, then makakaset ka ng system. What are you going to do next? Talagang may rason